Oh, he called one of George's number, which I wish I hadn't never gave him her number. I regret that.
Stop. Why he want to buy that or something? No. She better not. That is mine. Well, it's not mine. It's still George's.
Wait a minute now. I didn't know what he wanted it for. If I don't know what he wants, he's a sneaky ass man. Excuse my language. He's a sneaky man. My car, you know, has been over there for a long time, and I'm wanting to never get it fixed. So he decided to buy it.
Quit. Son, that's enough.
As he decided to buy it, he gave me $150 for it. You know what it is? Well, I had to have the collar changed, so I drove him to the highway department, let him go in his truck. He's sneaky. I can, anyway, I went with him. He took me where the person is that got my car. Well, he told me, Matthew, be careful that
Matthew,
thing.
stop. I think that's still the same one. Been here forever. Matthew, please turn it down.
Noise? Is that her? Oh.
Here, sit down.
Anyway,
Matthew, turn it down. Sit. Matthew, turn it down.
And leave it alone, Matthew.
No, that's enough. Sit.